Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you an incredible journey, how I turned a humble $100 investment into a whopping $1,000 in the world of cryptocurrencies. The world of cryptocurrency is not just about volatile markets and risky investments, it's also about seizing opportunities and making smart moves. So, let's rewind a bit. I started with just $100, not a huge amount by any means, but it was enough to dip my toes into the crypto waters. The first step was research. I spent hours diving into the world of crypto, learning about different projects, understanding market trends, and identifying potential gems. After careful consideration, I made my first investment. It was nerve-wracking, but I trusted my instincts and went for it. Over the following days and weeks, I closely monitored the market, keeping a keen eye on my investment. Each rise in value was a cause for celebration, but it also motivated me to keep going. As my confidence grew, I diversified my portfolio, exploring new projects and spreading out my investments. And you know what? Crypto isn't just about making money, it's also about community. I've met so many amazing people on this journey, sharing insights and experiences along the way. So, to anyone out there thinking about diving into the world of crypto, my advice is simple: do your research, trust your instincts, and never be afraid to take that first step. Who knows? You might just turn $100 into $1,000 or even more. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing!